Student, welcome to our history class. From last video we starting the lesson number 5, religious trends in ancient India. In this lesson contains 6 points: Jainism, Buddhism, Judaism, Christianity, Islam and Zoroastrianism. In last video we complete Jainism, Pancha Mahavrats and essence of his teaching. Now let us start. Our next point is 5.2 is Buddhism. Buddhism spread in India and in many countries outside India. Gautam Buddha was founder of Buddhism. You know student, the Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. So Buddhism spread in India and in many countries outside India. India as well as other countries near about India, Buddhism spread by Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born at Lumbini in Nepal. The birthplace was Gautam Buddha, Lumbini in Nepal. His father's name was Shuddhodhan and mother's name is Maya Devi. Gautam Buddha's father's name was Shuddhodhan and mother's name was Maya Devi. His birth name was Siddharth. Gautam Buddha's birth name was Siddharth. He had attained knowledge of human life in his entirety. That is why he came to know as the Buddha. He wanted to know why there is sorrow and suffering in human life. He wanted to know why there is sorrow and suffering in human life. Sorrow and suffering means pains, difficult condition in our human life. Suffering means very bad pain in our life. He left his home. So he went to his home and all comforts to pursue all the answer to his question. Comforts means comfortable. On Vaishak Purnima, he was sitting in deep meditation under the peepal tree at Uruvela near the city of Gaya in Bihar. On the day of Vaishak Purnima, he is sitting in the deep meditation under the peepal tree. Under the peepal tree, Uruvela near the city of Gaya in Bihar. In Bihar state, in the city of Gaya, he started meditation. He is sitting in deep meditation under the peepal tree. That it when he attained Bodhi, enlightenment or the highest knowledge. The tree is now known as the Bodhi tree. Bodhi Ruksha is also called as Bodhi Ruksha. And the place Uruvela is known as Bodh Gaya. He delivered his first sermon at Sarnath near Varanasi. Student, here Gautam Buddha, about the life of Gautam Buddha. His father name was Siddharth and mother name was Maya Devi. His birth name was Siddharth. Then he wanted to know why the many suffering, many pain in our human life. So he left his home to got the answer of this question. So on Vaishak Purnima, he was sitting in deep meditation under the peepal tree, Uruvela, near the city of Gaya in Bihar. The tree is now known as the Bodhi tree and also known as Bodhi Ruksha. The tree is also called as Bodhi Ruksha, and the place Uruvela is known as Bodh Gaya. He delivered his first sermon at Sarnath near Varanasi. His teaching in the first sermon to term Dhamma. He set on the motion of wheel, Dhamma in the sermon. Therefore, this event is called Dhamma Chakra Pravartan in Pali and Dhamma Chakra Pravartan in Sanskrit. Later he travelled on foot. Foot means Charika. For nearly 45 years to teach Dhamma. He preached in the people's language Pali. In Buddhism, the concept of taking refuge in the Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha is important. It is known as Trisharan. The essence of Dhamma expounded is as follows. Arya Satya, noble truth. Arya Satya means noble truth. There are 4 truths at the root of the human affair. They are called noble truth or Arya Satya. Arya Satya means truth, Satya. First is Dukkha. Then second is the cause of Dukkha. Then third is Dukkha Nivaran. And fourth is Pratipat. First is Dukkha. Dukkha means suffering, pain. In our life, which pain comes, there is suffering in human life. Then second is the cause of Dukkha. What is the cause of Dukkha? What is the cause of pain? There is cause of suffering. Is called as cause of suffering. Then third is Dukkha Nivaran. It is possible to end suffering. Nivaran means end suffering. It is the possible to end suffering. Pratipad. Pratipad means the way, this way leads to the end of suffering. This is the way of good conduct. It is known as the Ashtangik or Eightfold Path.